Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV charging analytics with EV battery monitoring apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup EV charging analytics using EV battery monitoring apps, start by selecting a reliable app that fits your needs. Download the chosen app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if prompted. Navigate to the Settings or Preferences section within the app. Locate the backup or sync options available in the settings. Connect the app to your vehicle by following the on-screen instructions. Ensure that the app has permission to access your vehicle's data. Once connected, explore the features that allow you to view charging analytics. Regularly check your charging history and battery performance metrics within the app. Set up automatic backup preferences if the app offers this feature. If automatic backup is not available, manually export your data periodically. Look for an option to export your analytics as a CSV or Excel file. Choose a secure location to save the exported files, such as a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. Make it a habit to back up your charging analytics every month for consistency. Review your stored data to ensure accuracy and completeness. If needed, consider using multiple apps for redundancy in your data backup. Always keep your apps updated to ensure access to the latest features and security improvements. Lastly, familiarize yourself with the app's support resources in case any issues arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.